All right, welcome to the Money Talk Show TV. This is your first news update for the year. On this show, we give you all the news update and anything that's involving money, because we all about money on this show, baby, okay? I am the coach, the money coach, and I'm going to give you your news update for the day, okay? All right, first update is Elon Musk became the richest man in the world today, boy. Elon Musk became the richest man in the world, okay? He surpassed Basil, baby, okay? The boy is worth 188 billion. 188 billion, okay? Shout out to Elon Musk doing his thing out there with the Tesla car doors flipping up, baby. You know what I'm saying? Rocking with Elon, okay? Next news. The Capitol is being overturned. The Capitol building is being overturned. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Okay, we got to go live, folks. Okay. Okay, all right. Going to take you live right now to Roscoe. He should be live in Washington, D.C. right now. All right. What's going down there in Washington, Roscoe? All right, thank you, Money Coach. I'm sitting out here live. Actually, I'm somewhere far safe from all that drama, okay? I ain't gonna lie to you, okay? I'm in D.C., but I'm in my hotel room doing this live video because I'm not gonna be out there. Y'all don't pay me enough money to be out there advertising and trying to cover no news story when folks getting shot, okay? Come on, Roscoe, man. You know we live, right? Let's get into the news, all right? The U.S. Capitol was set on fire by British troops and bombings and a president assassination back in 1814, okay? That was the last time anything like this crazy has happened on America, okay? Since 1814, all right? The United States President of America, Donald Trump, has abandoned his post, okay? That's what viewers are saying. He's abandoned his post, okay? He never conceded, all right? That's where the problems come now. And Donald Trump held a press conference right across from where the electoral votes were supposed to be held. And he aggravated those protesters and turned them into terrorists, okay? And those terrorists terrorized the Capitol, all right? It's the second time in history our Capitol has been breached, all right? So, thank you for watching our show. Back to you, Money Coach. I'm going to go get me some food from this hotel room because y'all don't pay me enough money. And I'm definitely know y'all putting all the bill on y'all. But I'm not going back over there to the Capitol. It's crazy over there. I'm going home. I'm on the next flight. I'm going back home. Send me somewhere safe. All right. Thank you for watching the Money Talk Show TV. Back to you, Money Coach. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right. In other news, Biden wins. Okay, Biden wins. All right. The VP finally counted those electoral votes. Okay, so Biden is in there, baby. Okay, so for you investors out there, you got to think about some things. Okay, when Biden got in there, well, he's in there now. All right, clean energy, baby. Clean energy is going to go fast. All right, you got clean energy, EV, solar. Okay, the banks is going to go crazy too. Okay, you're going to get that money, those stimulus checks. Okay, think about your investments. Okay, and cybersecurity, baby. Cybersecurity is up. It's new. All right, everybody want to protect everything. We got to protect the United States of America, baby. I'm a veteran. This is a veteran show here. I told you that. All right, other news. Please, if you deposit and download Webull. If you have not in the stock market, you need to get into the stock market, baby, okay? But if you click that link below, you go ahead down Webull, okay? You deposit $100 as your first deposit, you will get some free stocks, baby, okay? Valued up to $1,600, okay? So go ahead and get that Webull account and go ahead and get you some money so you can get to that Elon Musk status, okay? That's what we want you to do on this show, okay? We give you the good news. Only the good news, okay? Only the good news here. All right. Bitcoin. But Bitcoin is going up. Okay. Bitcoin going up. Bitcoin. Okay. We told you about Bitcoin. Okay. Did a video about Bitcoin. Told you about Bitcoin. Are you investing in Bitcoin? Think about it. Think about it. All right. Other news. Neo, okay? Neo is going up today. Boy, Neo's doing his thing, okay? Remember we talked about Elon Musk and Tesla? All right. If you can't afford a Tesla, get you a Neo. Neo is sitting at $54.28 right now in the stock market, baby. Go ahead and get you a Neo, okay? Neo is backed by the Chinese government, okay? The government in China is backing up their company, which is Neo, okay? Okay, so if you're thinking about Tesla moving up so high, think about a baby Tesla, okay? That's what I think, okay? All right, baby Tesla for Neo. Shout out to Neo, $54.28 today. Are you investing? All right. Other news. Oh, Tesla. Oh, so Tesla's everywhere, boy. Elon Musk, Tesla. Tesla hit another high today, boy, hitting at $816 right now, okay? Tesla is at $816 right now. Oh, hold on. What's that, Roscoe? Oh, yeah. I'm investing in Tesla, too. Just want to let everybody know. I'm in Tesla, $400. Yes. All right. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Yes. Roscoe want to let everybody know that he is definitely invested in Tesla too. Okay. He got Tesla at $440. Okay. Roscoe told you he got $440. Tesla is sitting at $816 right now. That's almost a 50% gain, baby. Okay. Are you in the stock market? And think about that. Tesla doubled. That was less than 2 months, baby. Look at the video. Look at the old video up there. The S&P 500 introduction to Tesla. Okay, I told you it was at $400 and something then. All right, it's at $816 now. All right, do your research, baby. All right, and when Tesla made into the S&P 500, that means it gets cheaper capital. Okay, so now they can do better things, baby. Okay, I'm a Tesla fan. All right, shout out to Tesla. All right, other news. A lot of people out there are scared. They're afraid. They're frightened of the stock market, baby. They say the stock market is going to crash. I tell you, no, it's not. No, it's not. And no, it's not. Stock market not going to crash, okay? The stock market ain't no way it's going to crash. The S&P 500 is up 1.48% today. And that's after all that nonsense, okay? After all that nonsense, the stocks went down, okay? But today, they up today. You know what that means? That means in America, everybody's seeing an opportunity. They know that America's going to keep on being great. They're going to be good. All right. Whoever's in charge, because my commander in chief is the man upstairs. I don't care who in charge. Okay. Biden, Trump, none of that. Okay. All right. But my commander in chief told me everything going to be all right. All right. So we're going to get in there. Okay. All right, another news, nano dimensions, baby. All right, we've been talking about nano on this show. We told you about nano. Okay, let's see if I can get the ticker symbol right this time. NNDM. I had to look at the paper. I ain't gonna even lie. Okay, I be researching stocks every day. I'm a news anchor, baby. Okay, I got all papers coming in me every day. All right, I'm going live right now. All right, nano hit a high again. I told you it's at 932 right now. As we speak, it's at 932. Man, okay. They got an interview coming up. All right. Interview, news. Told you news brings the stocks up. All right. Think about that. Use your knowledge. Use your noggin. All right. Nano Dimensions has been up. Excuse me, in my language. Nano Dimensions is up 300% in the last 6 months, ladies and gentlemen. 300% in the last 6 months, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Are you investing? I'm going to ask you all the time, baby. Are you investing? Please leave a comment in the below. Let me know. Are you investing? All right. Get to the other news. All right. Now we got a 52-week challenge. Okay. On this channel, we got a 52-week challenge. We investing. We got to go to 10K. We got to go to $10,000, baby. Okay. So if you want to join that challenge, go ahead and click down below or one of those other videos. Say, hey, I'm in the challenge. I'm taking the challenge, and do it for yourself and your family. Okay. That challenge is 5 goals. We got to get to $10,000. That's one of them goals. We got to get everybody in your house an account. That's one of them goals. Get into the stock market. If you ain't into the stock market, baby, that should be the first goal. All right. We're going to try to get 10K. You know what I'm saying? We're going to do all kinds of things. Okay. We want to invest 52 weeks strong. 52 weeks strong, ladies and gentlemen. 52 weeks strong. Every week we are investing. Okay. We're doing all kinds of things. loving investing, okay? Then we're going to take all that money once we get that $10,000 is when we're going to buy a house. And we're going to do it on this show, okay? We're going to show you to buy a house, all right? Other news. You think about the stock market crashing? Okay, no. The Dow closes at an all-time high. Okay, the Dow is up 212 points, ladies and gentlemen. This is the stock market news. The Dow closes at an all-time high, including the NASDAQ. Okay, so the Dow and the NASDAQ closes at an all-time high. So who tells you that the stock market is going to crash when these stocks are doing at an all-time high? They're crazy. Okay, they're crazy. I said it, they're crazy. All right. Okay, I told you they're crazy. The stock market is not going to go nowhere, baby. All right, in other news, the money coach is going to be trying to fix his live. All right. He says he's got some things going on. He's going to be trying to fix that live. He got some issues with the cameras and the internet and everything, but he's going to get that live going. He's going to show you guys the live accounts. He's going to try to put it on his website and everything. He got some big things headed for you, okay? Just a message from the money coach. And the last message for the day at your stock market news is, please, if you haven't, getting you in a brokerage account, please go ahead and use that link below. It helps us out in the show. You can deposit $100 as your first deposit when you get that Webull account. Free link below, okay? And you put $100 in there. Bang, boom, pow. They're going to give you some free stocks, baby. I say bang, boom, pow, boom, pow, boom, bang. They're going to give you some free stocks, baby. So go ahead and download the Webull if you ain't got it. Okay, we got Robinhood down there for you too, baby. We got M1 Finance, okay? We just don't want you to get one thing because I use them all, baby. We're going to give you updates on all those brokerage accounts that we're going to be using, okay? So this is your daily update. Today is Thursday, the first Thursday of the year in our 52-week challenge. And this is your news update for the stock market. The money coach is out. Be blessed to invest in yourself and love. Peace. So